Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I have 2014 Chrysler Town Country, and I have problem with power sliding doors. So my problem on this van is that power sliding doors, they won't open from outside. If I pull the handle, usually the door should start automatically sliding to open, but that doesn't work on this van. And also if I try to close it when I open the door manually to pressing the pillar button on the inside, also that will do nothing for me. So yeah, like I said, I try to open, nothing happens, so I need to open it manually. And then that trim button, if I press it, again nothing happens. So what is more likely your problem? It is overhead console switch for power sliding door. That one, it's in off position. So when this button for power sliding door is in off position, like this one, you won't be able to open the door automatically from outside or using that pillar button. Now we're gonna switch it to on position and we're gonna try it again. Now with that overhead console power sliding door button on, we're gonna try to open it just like pulling the handle, and that door just slides automatically like it should. We're gonna test the pillar button, and that works too. I'm also gonna check the other side, make sure that side works as well, and it does. I'm gonna test the pillar button, and that works as well. So that fixed my problem. So like I said, if you have problem with opening power sliding doors, first thing you want to check overhead console buttons. Make sure this far right button is in on position. If this video was helpful to you, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.